With SARX, it's very easy to print either to single page or to multiple pages, depending on looking to send a map out with a field team or printing a larger map, planning map for the map table within the command post. Clicking on the print map icon in the home tab brings up the print map pop-up box. The first thing you do is select an area to print. And so see here that I've already selected, been playing with the map and already had selected an area. It's very easy to select. Just click on it, click on the start point, and you draw a green box outline of where you want to print, and just cover the whole area that you're interested in. And you can see that the area that you will be printing is now covered in a fluorescent green box. Within the pop-up box, you can see the scale of the map that you're going to be printing based on the number of pages you selected. So for instance, right now I've got it selected to print 2 pages across, 2 pages down. This will create a map of scale 12,572. In future versions of SARX, you'll actually be able to choose a scale, and the tool will pick the correct number of pages in order to be able to print to that specific scale. You also need to make sure that you're set up properly. I'm just going to print to a PDF file right now. I can also print to whatever printers you have attached. By default, it prints to landscape mode, but again, you can change this depending on what you're actually printing. Leave it in landscape for now, and then just hit OK. At this point, just hit print map. The tool will collect a series of images of the map area that basically down at the scale that is appropriate for the size of the image you're printing and the number of pages you're printing it to. This makes sure that you've got as much resolution on your map as you can possibly get. For instance, at this scale, there's a number of trails and so on that wouldn't appear at larger scales that you need to be able to have it at in order to select the large area that I wanted to print for this particular map. If I would have actually printed at that larger scale, it wouldn't have picked up all of this data. So now it's saved it to a PDF, and I've got a previous version that I've done show an example. We'll just cancel that one. So as you can see here, we've printed the map to 4 pages, and it's maximized the area. SARX will actually minimize the size of the margins based on the type of printer you've chosen. So in this case, printing to a PDF, the available margin is 0, and so it actually prints the map with 0 margin. If you've printed it to a specific printer, it actually queries the printer to find what the minimum margins are for that particular printer, and then prints the page accordingly. You can do exactly the same thing, but for a single page. Like I said, to give a map to a field team, and we're just going to select a smaller area that would be appropriate for the field team. We've got 1 page across, 1 page down, and print map. And again, it's selecting the images based on the appropriate scale. In this case, scale is 7400. And we save this PDF, just leave it as that document. And it brings up a single page map. We'll rotate the view. As you can see, we've got our single page map of exactly the area that we had selected within SARX.